So I have in my hand an actual pencil from the Supreme Court, from the gift shop. It says, "With liberty and justice for all." There we go. You can see it on the camera. I haven't thrown this away because it was given to me by a student. So that's not something I would do. I appreciate that a student was on vacation, stopped at the Supreme Court and got me this. So it's pretty cool, kind of like a gavel. But my issue is, at some point I believed in the Supreme Court, I think like everybody else. And they become radicalized. It's not talking about there's more conservatives than liberal justice. Obviously, Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito have done a major shift. But today, and that's what the point is, today there is a hearing to determine, and I'll put the link below, it's at 10 a.m., to determine this issue of a nationwide injunction. Now, what does that mean? Well, with all these cases going on with immigration, the judges in one district are basically saying this is unconstitutional, and they apply it across the board through the whole U.S. Now, constitutional scholar Stephen Miller, I say that with the utmost sarcasm, he is not a constitutional scholar, he's a constitutional idiot, has been claiming all over social media that a judge does not have the power to issue a nationwide injunction. He's wrong. But besides that, this is the bigger issue. And this is who knows what this will go with birthright citizenship and everything else. But the bigger issue is they file in court and they say so-and-so is being detained. They get that person and they move them to another district. And so when the court rules and says, okay, that person can no longer be detained, the Trump administration and ICE is saying, he's not there anymore. So that doesn't apply to us anymore. See, he's over there now. And so this is why the judges are issuing a nationwide district, because they're playing cat and mouse. They're moving everybody around, trying to make sure that these rulings don't apply. So today is going to be a big issue, a big ruling with the Supreme Court. Let's see where they go. Let's see if they finally get it right, because what they did with Roe v. Wade was just disgusting. When that draft came out that shouldn't have, it was published, and then they finally confirmed it with their ruling, it was a gut punch. So let's see where they go now with this one. I hope with the birthright citizenship, they're just having a hearing just to end this for once and for all. But with this court, who knows? So I'll put the link below at 10 o'clock. You can actually do audio, and eventually that audio will be posted anyway if you don't listen to it live. Take care.